Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. You get a word from the Lord when you come to pass yet? You believe say it a go happen? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you no miss none of what I go and write here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Luke chapter 1 from verse 39 to verse 45. Mary get ready and Mickey is go one town in a hilly part of Judah. When she reach, she go to Zachariah house and go tell Elizabeth howdy. As Elizabeth hear Mary say howdy so, the baby in her belly jump and the Holy Spirit take control of Elizabeth and she bawl out loud. You bless more than all other woman and the picnic in your belly blessed too. Oh, me bless so that the mother of my Lord can look for me. As you talk so, perhaps my baby jump in my belly cause him happy. You bless cause you believe where the Lord say I go happen. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.